Sorry for you. Wow, you completed your first trick-or-treat.
Hey, baby. Look at the camera, Timmy. Your first Halloween candy.
I don't know if you eat that candy yet.
Hey. What are you doing, huh?
You found yourself a lollipop? Huh? He's testing all of them. Oh, but they all taste the same because the wrapper's still on them.
Look. Hi. Hi.
What's that, huh? Dum Dum?